Okay, I got the Icefox, I got the Samsung S24 going. You tell me, guys, which video is which? There we go. Hitting different state parks, beaches, rivers all around the country. And today I'm down here at San Juan Capistrano, and I've always wondered what other people use for their videos. I use a Samsung S24 camera, my phone, and once in a while I use this GoPro. So I always wondered, I mean, these GoPros are like $400 or $500. S24 phone camera is probably more than $500 or $600 now. I don't know where it's going. The Icefox UHD 4K camera. Do you realize how much something like this costs? I think right now it's going for $60. Yes, it looks like a GoPro, but it does, I mean, I'm sure the quality is not as great as a GoPro, but the most important thing to me when I'm doing my videos is that they're clear. I mean, I use my camera. I hope you guys like the videos. I never get a lot of comments say, hey, you need to use another camera. But I always see these people with those big ass cameras and a little muff on the front and all that thing. Actual camera doing it. So to each his own, guys. But you know what? I'm glad Icefox sent this to me. Now, this isn't a paid promotion. Icefox did give me this product. They are giving me the opportunity to do a little review for you guys on this Icefox UHD 4K action camera. I do a lot of my reviews, guys, just getting them in the mail. Boom, I get it, I crack it open, show you guys what's inside, and then go through the actual setup of it. The UHD 4K action camera, it's got 30 millimeters of waterproof. I don't know what that means. Dual screen, Wi-Fi, and Ultra HD 4K, guys. A couple other real quick things here. It says waterproof 360 up to 30 meters. That's what that 30M meant. 30 meters of waterproof with individual housing. It's got dual color screen display with rear and front dual screen display. The front screen gives you better control, no kidding. Built-in electronic image stabilizer, guys. Wow. The built-in stabilizer helps to keep the video footage stable. Well, I hope so. And smooth, even when on the move. And then it's got the native 4K Ultra HD video recording. The Icefox camera records video in 4K Ultra HD resolution, providing more detail than ever. This thing, they say they're in Colorado, but I'm sure this thing's made in China. And, the name of it's the Icefox 8 UHD 4K. The model is 1.8 or is it 1 Bravo? Yeah, I'm going blind. And this one's made December 2024. Wow, it was just made, guys. All right, let's crack it open, see what we got here. Oh, let's do this right. Don't break it. Don't break it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What we got here? We got the user manual, model 1.8. Oh, it is I8. It's not 1 Bravo. It is I8. Okay, then you got an active warranty and claim. The 1-year free extension. Activate the 14 days by scanning this QR code. A battery, rechargeable lithium ion battery pack, 3.7 volts. You got 2 of them. Yes, we do. And it's got the cover. And let's see, you pop this open like that. That goes like that. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's that cover, guys. Pretty cool. Real hard plastic. This isn't cheap, I'll tell you what. This cover's nice. Very nice. Let's put that right there for now with the 2 little batteries. And then there's your camera, guys. Wow, look at this thing. That's tiny. Icefox. I noticed right off the bat doesn't have any protection on the actual lens, but you know, that's okay. See, it says Icefox right there. Okay, let's pull this. Oh yeah, we all like doing this. Oop, there you go. Another one right there. Boom. Okay, and you got another one right there. 3 of them. This looks like the menu button right here. And now, guys, when I do these reviews, I'm not a professional camera reviewer. I'm just doing it like you get it in the mail. You see it on Amazon, you see it on Icefox, you order it, you put it in the mail, you get it, and boom, there you go. Look at my video before you get it so you can see what it is, what it takes to set it up, you know, and maybe I help you learn a little bit about the product before you buy it. Oh, and there's your power button, guys. Let's hold this in and see what happens. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. I guess it's not charged up, right? Because we don't have any power on anything. That's your menu button. There's your power button. Let me see. Touch it? No. Oh, okay, we got to charge it up. No problem. Duh. You got the 2 batteries right here, Pete. Oh, my God. Who caught that before I did? Come on. Somebody had to catch that before me. There we go. Just like kind of like the GoPro. Same thing. And then we just slide that battery right in there, pull that thing. What is this? Well, it's just to get it out. Okay. All right. Let's see. Oop, there it is. Now let's try it, Pete. Duh. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. Oh, there she goes. Icefox. Hey, that's pretty cool, guys. I'm gonna put the shade down a little bit. Oh, there we go. Turn the light on. Boom. And there's your camera. Hopefully you can see that, guys. It says English, douche, or Italiano. Let's pick English. Boom. Oh, and it's a tap screen. You got the year, the month, and the day. The month, the day, and the year. But we're in America. We do the day. No, we do the month, the day, and the year. Right? Right? March 5th. Yeah, that's us. Boom. And it's 2025. And it is July. And it is July. I can guess this out because it was 4th of July yesterday, Pete. So today is the 5th of July. Okay, let's check that, see if that works. Oh, there we go. And the time settings, I think it's around 4 o'clock. It's probably not 4 o'clock, but I'm going to put 4 o'clock. I'll look later. Boom. Long press to power on and off. Short press is okay. Okay. Boom. Slide to switch between recording and shooting modes. Boom. Slide up to open the mode selection. Boom. Slide down to open the Wi-Fi power off lock interface. Boom, there we go. Wow, this is interesting. But wait, there's no screen. This is dual screen. Okay, you know what? I bet you any money you only can have the click to enter playback. We don't want to do that. We're just kind of looking right now. And so let's see why this doesn't have dual screen. I'll look that up and we'll get right back to you guys. You know what, guys? I'll get back to you on the why there's no dual screen. It says dual screen. Damn it, I know it does. It says dual screen. It says, look, it says dual screen, but it doesn't say dual screen at the same time. So let's figure out what's in the rest of this box first. I really like this little sucker. I like it. Let's turn it off so we don't waste any power. 1,000. Oh, that's it. Just touch. Oh, that's great, guys. I love when you just go one time. Click to open menu button. Click on the digital zoom. Oh, I'm going a little training there. Scan the QR code to download the camera app, guys. Enjoy your action camera. Boom, there we go. Boom, boom. Oh boy, there's a bunch of stuff here. Right, oh my gosh. Hello? Hello? Anybody in there? Nope, nothing else in there. Oh my God, what do we got? First thing I got to do is I got to get a freaking SD card. One of the things, now I understand SD cards are expensive, but a lot of these things don't come with SD cards. Someday that will happen. All right, guys, let's see what it can do. All right, guys, specs on this thing. It's the video compression is H.264. Displays a 2-inch LCD display front and back. There's an app called Snap Pro. I showed you that. images of, you know, your regular image, a JPEG, MP4 on the videos, 110-inch HD wide-angle fisheye lens, guys. That's pretty good. You can connect this with a Type-C connection to download your files, charge it. It's got a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes, guys. Got to be U3 TF card. Remember that, U3 TF card. It's got a remote control, which is on my handy-dandy Dick Tracy wristband here. Let's press the red button. Took a picture. Let's hold the gray button. Start recording. Now that's different. The gray is start recording and the red is taking a picture. It should be the other way around, right? Because when you're recording, it gives you a nice little red screen. And the battery capacity is 1,350 milliamp hours, guys. I don't know. And the recording time's 90 minutes. That's not bad. 4K for 90 minutes. And that's put on a 256 gigabyte card, guys. So there's your Icefox UHD 4K action camera. Yeah. Is this Wi-Fi here? You can connect it by basically just holding this thing down, and then you hold on. You go to turn your Wi-Fi on your phone or whatever, and when it comes up with the Snap Pro, you just put in the Snap Pro. Let's go back in again. One right back in. Normal view. Let's preview it again real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Go back to your room. Okay, there's your camera roll. You get preview going right there. There's your camera roll. You can do photos. And there's your camera roll for a photo. Let's take a picture right there. Boom, take a picture. Video. There's your video. Then you can hit your settings. You can go up and down the settings, video resolution, AIS, all that good stuff. Back to you from your settings. Then you can go to pictures. There's your pictures right there, back there, the preview. Boom, you can download an image. Downloading the image to my album down below. There you go. See what we got up here. Remove camera device, you can cancel that. My orders, feedback, settings, all that good stuff. You can bound your email, go back to the equipment, see what that is right there.
I'll tell you what, guys, you got the Icefox, which is
back here. Let's see, go back, edit that one. That's your app, guys, your Snap Pro app. Check it out. More equipment in there. Just want to show it to you. For that, I showed you clips of the video that it takes, the pictures that it takes. I'm real happy with this thing. I am going to be carrying this sucker around in my pocket. The only thing bummer is that you can't switch. Let's see, you can't switch between the front and the back. You can switch between the front and the back by holding down this top button right here, the mode button. The screen goes off in the back, and then you turn it around like that, and it comes on. But the back's not on. So if you're doing something like this, you know, and you're videotaping and you got that kind of stuff going, you can see the screen. And I'll tell you what, it's a lot better than that GoPro. I can actually see this thing. I'm not kidding, guys. That GoPro, I think it's got a little competition here. So let's get the Icefox. Let's complete this thing. I got to edit this video. I want to get it up to you guys as soon as possible. By the time you see this, obviously it would be edited, but got some work to do. I love this camera. I've carried this around in my pocket already and you don't even know it's in there. It's pretty cool. But I always put the case on just to protect the screen, because the screen on this, guys, it's a little plasticky. And it's easy. Let me tell you, the good thing about it is, well, let's hold that back down. Switch between, oh, you got to do the top, I think. Yeah, switch back to the back. You hold the mode button, the M button down. The good thing about this, guys, it's touchscreen too, but you can actually see it. I mean, you know, you go through here, you got different settings. They're all different. You know, you got your settings button on the bottom. You got your play button right here, brings it to all the video files. If I just press this right here, boom, see? You can go play back your videos or your pictures, and you touch that back button right there. Boom. And she's back, and you got your settings button, your scope. You can press the up and down, the plus and minus, goes farther, and what do you call that? Telescopic lens. Not a very big telescopic lens, but it. All right, I'm going to do the zoom. See what happens here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that's about it. That's your zoom. Your volume tells you how much power you got left in the battery, and it's got 476 gigs on that card. Now it's funny because this thing says micro SD up to 256 gigabytes, but if you notice on here, I got 478 gigabytes. I don't know if that's the case, if it won't hold more than that, but we'll see. But there's your Icefox, guys. I'm loving this little camera. Having fun with it. Very easy to handle, guys. And look at all those attachments. You can't go wrong. Real simple. Pull the battery out. Really cool, guys. In fact is, they sent you 2 batteries. We'll throw it on the charger here. Boom. USB that it came with. Charging both batteries up. There's the camera, guys. There she is. I love the 2 battery. Thanks, Icefox. Try this again. Last time I taped, video just stopped down here at CVG Airport, Cincinnati Airport, I guess we call it. I've had this UHD 4K Icefox for a while. I'm using it, and I'm using my Samsung S24. And I left the GoPro at home because this thing's been doing a really good job. As you can see in some of these clips, I have to tell you, all the parts that it comes with, all the different accessories, the features, underwater ability, everything like that is just amazing. So check out this video and you can see what I'm saying. And those of you that stick around to the end of the video, we'll put those 3 clips together with the GoPro and the Samsung S24. And then we'll see if you can tell the difference. You got the mode turned around, and I'll tell you what, it's so easy to take care of. Now, obviously, when it comes to the volume, it's a little less exceptional, especially when it comes to the GoPro or the Samsung 24. And as you can see, the clips itself, it's just working out really good. So I'm just down here editing some videos, it's really good internet. Flight's been delayed 3 hours, so that's for Icefox. No delay whatsoever. Had it for a while, like I said, and I'm really impressed with this Icefox. Let's move this clips over and see what we can do. Can't go wrong. Hey, Icefox. Cool. Thanks for sending me this camera, and I appreciate the opportunity to do a review for you guys. And don't forget, anything that you can use to make your channel better or your video better or your pictures better, use it.